Hi there, and thanks for visiting my channel. My name's Sharon. I'm just going to do a little unboxing of the second Craftamo paint box or subscription that I got. Last month I posted the first one and gave you my thoughts, and today this one arrived, and I opened it because I thought, oh, I don't know who this package is from. So as you can see, it's already been opened, this, and then I decided, oh well, I'll have a look and see what it is. I'm thinking, oh, I don't remember ordering anything, and I opened it up and this was in here, Leisl's Artistic Studio Craftamo box. Now I thought, oh, I said I'd do an unboxing this month, so I thought, oh well, I better wait and open it on camera. So it's got a beautiful, I think it's a robin, is it? Beautiful bird on it. Anyway, let's get this plastic off. Box is a lot smaller this month than it was last month, just to compare. And we were told, Leisl said, the first box would be larger because it had the paint palette in it. Anyway, so this is what the normal size of the box will be going forward. It's a gorgeous box, isn't it? I can't wait. So let's open it up. And inside, as you can see, Leisl's Artistic Studio. If you love it, share it. We'd love that. And it's wrapped in some pretty red tissue paper. And this will be the picture that we're going to be painting this month. I'm looking forward to that. I love this kind of thing and the splatters, so we'll wait and see how that goes. And then, oh, surprise, three pencils, HBs. That'll be good. Oh, another surprise, some washi tape. I think it's washi tape. And another surprise, this will be a kneadable eraser. They always come in handy. And this is very pretty, isn't it? Let me see if I can open it. Ooh. Oh, gee. Right. And I guess you get a video with each of these subscription boxes, so I guess we'll find out more about the washi tape. But oh, that's lovely, isn't it? It's really pretty. That's really nice. And even though I don't use much washi tape in my journaling, it's also really good for masking off around the borders of your watercolour if you want a nice white border when you're watercolouring. So that's a nice surprise. Then what have we got? Oh, each month we're to get 2 new brushes. Now, just as a reminder, last month we got a 1/4 inch cat's tongue and a 3/8 inch angle brush. So this month we've got what have we got? Oh, a 3/8 inch cat's tongue. It's a bit bigger than the last cat's tongue we got in comparison. So that's nice. Then what else? Oh, nice 8 inch round. Looking forward to that. I do love a round brush. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I've still got this, what they call a 90-day cough or something. It's awful. So I'm probably sounding a bit croaky as well. So another nice brush, nice point on it. And then we get the watercolours, 4 half pans. Wonder what colours they are. Well, I assume they'll be the colours for the bird. So we've got if I can open it, I'll try. There we go. So we've got, let me just tip them. There we go. Scarlet Lake, Indigo, Gamboge Hue, and Burnt Umber. Nice colours. Then we've got the straw. Move that out of the way as well. Try and lift this up. We have the tracing paper. We have an outline of the bird that we can use to trace. Put it on our watercolour paper, and then I believe it's 4 sheets of watercolour paper again, the same as last month. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got to watch a video and see how we go with that, but what I thought I might do is just swatch out those colours so you can have a look at those. So I'll be back in one moment. I'll get them unwrapped. Right, we're back. That was a bit of a struggle. Anyway, let's just see how these come out. Quite pretty. I'm trying not to be so aggressive with rinsing my paintbrush because I know how loud it is on the video, and I do apologise for that. It's the Burnt Umber. There I go, being aggressive again. And this will be the Gamboge. Oh, I love that colour. Very nice. And Indigo. All right. So they're the colours. I think they'll be very useful. Not just for this painting, but for other future paintings as well. Just something else quickly I wanted to show you. What I've decided to do, rather than keep the boxes, because I'm running out of room in my craft room, I thought I'd just get one of these folders and I'll pop the contents of each box just into a sleeve. So I've got the picture and the reference picture and additional watercolour paper. So each month I'll just pop it into there. And of course, because we got the paint palette last month, the first month, then we'll just keep adding the paints into here. And I think that'll keep everything nice and organised. And I'm very happy with this month's box. I do love so we got some pencils, and the washi is just beautiful. And again, as I said, the eraser, or kneadable eraser, and a couple of new paint brushes. So I'll be off to go and watch the video and see how my painting turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.